sashay away. But gotta pray for a baby boy to realize I'm a pangandoy. Mamupadamo sa among lahi, ubang giitan sa korte diskarte. My ball games, man, karate or boxing, Dodong will keep on shining. But sorry, Dada, I cannot follow some things you wanted me to pursue. I tried once, striking and got slow. Pero TBH, unhappy go. Because sugod lagi. Goodness gracious, people back again, boys. Next time, sleep with boys and coys. But please don't you worry, don't be so your son with the hearts of a fire.
Matamo ay galaw yan ako ang mga tao sa pamamaw ang ating LGBTQIA+ community of Batayan. Thank you so much for the love. And of course, we will see you next year.
If ikaw mag-call,
Oh my God.
please always remember I'm not around and you're my father. Sa iyong gusto, TBH, unhappy go.
That's masala. Sugod lagi. Once again, this has been sa Damgo Pangandoy ni Tata Matayas Fiesta 2026.
Please don't you worry, don't be your son with the hearts of a fire. Though I know you're thinking of my safety, I'll try my hardest to make you happy. As long as I'm in it, don't you worry.
And remember, Bantayan, you don't need to accept us. All you have to do is to be human. Maayong gabi, Bantayan! Bantayan sa makasapa, piniyang sa Damgo Pangandoy ni Tata. Thank you so much, our director, Joyce Lawrence. Thank you so much. Yes, and of course, Mr. Tracy Correct! Sir JC, and of course we would like to say happy birthday to one of our benefactors, Daddy Leonardo Poto Oriasa. Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday!
Sir Cotto, please join us here.
And of course, pasalamatan atong tanan natong mga bisita kalihuman, yung especially atong mga benefactors. Thank you kaayo. And requesters, and of course,
To be on stage for a photo opportunity. Thank you so much, Sheena Kapuras, for my nail extension.
and thank you also to our licensed sounds, Survivor Licensed Sounds, no, to Nelson Troy, DJ Alex, DJ Topet,
Ay, sir!
the family din sa
Ay,
Survivor.
malay!
Thank you kayo. And masipang pakpak sa atong tourism officer designate, Christian Ducan.
And of course, the expertise of the caliber of Sir JC. JC, come on, join us. Come on.
And madamo kayo salamat no to Honorable Mayor Alex Tayesi for giving us one night of course to showcase sa ato ang galado isip mga lumad Bantayanon. Sir DJ, would you mind join us, sir? Thank you also to Sir Ray Pasio, to Edison, to CK, to Michael, no, sa tala namang Sir Cloyd Ribo, and staff, no, Sinila West, no, Sinila West, kung wala ko masayo. Tita London,
On all performers.
Sir Briggs, of course.
Oy, tagay ko yung itlog!
T-shirt, sponsors,
Tagay ko yung
giveaways,
itlog!
kay Kermits, thank you. Salida
Oy.
kayo, Kermits, oy.
Itlog.
Grabe naman po sita, oy. Dami ang YouTube. Sa
chick. Performance.
Tourism Office, no? Ang ato mga interns. Thank you kaayo. Sila rin
Itlog, Joel.
ni Ading, ni Ente, tanan.
Typical working group. Come on.
Ang one sa picture, LPF. Again, requesting the staff, the performers, staff, no,
Ay,
including,
Dok.
of course, the backup
Wala dyan
dancers,
kami pa daog.
hair and makeup artists, photo sa ni support, ano magpalampuson kining show, palihog mga maman sir,
Tay Bolay, wag na ako digwi pa daog ah.
Sir Christian, please join us, sir. Please. Sir Christian. Sir Alex, please. At PIO man.
Tay Bolay.
Dila yata ang CK Lex.
Imo ana ang history.
Gino. Artist Gino.
Ang history ba imo ana?
Wala kaya ako digwi pa daog.
Angel.
Di mo pakuha, di mo niya ko activity. Ang history mo ana.
Ara na lang. Itlog na lang, sir.
Di mo na kuha.
Kuya Lloyd and team, thank you kaayo. Survivor family, thank you.
Itlog na lang, sir.
Di na lagi na kuha.
Ano, nagugugam ako ng kagabi.
So girls, mag-video chat ko no ta. Sa Damgo, Pangandoy ni Tata. May munchika lang once again din sa... Okay. Girls, ikaw muna yung Pangandoy ni Tata. Wait na lang dahil para may low pressure. Ano? Four, three,
Ay!
go. Madamo nga salamat, bantayan. Once again, this has been sa Damgo, Pangandoy ni Tata. Woo! Dito. Oka rin ha, oka.
Take two.
Ready?
Take
3,
two. Take two.
2. Okay, alam pa mga bata, mga palangga. Sa August na kayo ka mga palangga.
Take two. Take two.
Ato ni rearrange siya. Once again, this has been sa Damgo ni Tata. Sa Damgo, Pangandoy ni Tata. Madamo nga salamat, bantayan. Once again, this has been sa Damgo, Pangandoy ni Tata. Madamo nga salamat, bantayan! Thank you kayo, Papa Toto. Of course, sa ato mga performers and sounds, no, our photo video team, natay free dinner dito sa Staking. See you all there.
pirme Ang awit ang kinaiyak Sa aming katawan Nagdasig sa katawan Sa pag-atiman sa gasa sa ilo Palakol Festival Atong sayaw Sayaw sa mananaga Huli sa bandayan Nakakabusay Silip ng sulong Mga simbolo sa kagagatan Nato Ipasig mo sa panalangin
Hoy! May tubig pa oh.
Grabe ni mo yung mga viewers. Bigan.
Kaya nga man, usa doon. 1,000. Oy, wala gyud ako nimo gipada og Christian. Nalain ni Christian. Wagay ako gipada og oy. Sa Christian. Ato mga kita oh. Hello sir, wala kay dira sir. Wala ako sa itlog na lang sir. Ay!